Hello friends, welcome to Law and GK. So friends, on this channel we discuss the contents of law and previous year papers of judicial services and other legal exams. And friends, in today's video we are going to discuss all the questions of CPC of preliminary exam paper of Uttarakhand Judicial Services from the year 2002 to 2023. I hope कि ये वीडियोस आपके लिए बड़ी यूजफुल रहेंगी, आपके लिए बड़ा ही बेनिफिशियल रहेगा। एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दी चैनल, एंड while subscribing don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. एंड अगर आपको हमारे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगे हो तो in addition to like and subscribe, kindly give us a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to appreciate the content creator. आप जो है जो भी कंटेंट बनाता है उसको अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए आप जितना भी अमाउंट चाहें डोनेट कर सकते हैं। सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव अस अ सुपर थैंक्स। Next 147, the rule of consultative res judicata is a product of judicial interpretation या फिर contained expressly in CPC. Contained expressly है, explanation 4 of section 11 है, C is the answer. Next 148, which one of the following is newly added ground for rejection of plaint under order 7 rule 11, that is plaint not filed in duplicate. D is the answer. ये 2002 की amendment से डाला गया है। Next 149, which one of the following is not included in the powers of appellate court to determine case finally, to try de novo, to remand the case, to take additional evidence? तो क्या नहीं है? To try the case de novo. B is the answer. De novo नहीं कर सकते। Next 150, in which of the following cases it was held that inherent power has not been conferred on a court? It is a power inherent in the court. That was Manohar Lal versus Seth Hiralal. Is the answer. Next 155, an executing court cannot determine the quotient into which one of the following execution हो जाएगा, discharge हो जाएगा, satisfaction हो जाएगा, modification नहीं हो सकता. D is the answer. Next 152, a person against whom summons has been issued may be compared under section 32 of CPC to attend by issue of warrants, attachment and sale of property, imposing fine, ordering to furnish security. All of the above. C is the answer. 1 2 3 4. फाइन कितना कर सकते हैं? 5,000 रुपये तक का। नेक्स्ट 153, प्रोविजन फॉर इंटरप्रेटर सूट इज कंटेन्ड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन? दैट इज सेक्शन 88. बी इज द आंसर। 89 में क्या है? एडीआर। नेक्स्ट 154, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ सूट रिलेटिंग टू इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी? सूट फॉर रिकवरी ऑफ इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी तो है ही, पार्टीशन भी है, रिडम्पशन ऑफ मॉर्गेज भी है, रेंट इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी ये नहीं है। डी इज द आंसर। ये तो मनी सूट हो गया। Next 155, the CPC amendment 2002 came into force on 1 जुलाई 2002. D is the answer. देखिए 99 की amendment और ये 2002 की दोनों एक ही दिन हुई हैं enforce. Next 156, where a local limit of jurisdiction of court are uncertain, the place of institution of suit shall be decided according to section 18. B is the answer. 17 में क्या है? Different courts है। 19 में क्या है? Wrong टू पर्सन और मूवेबल्स, मतलब टॉर्ट्स के केसेस हैं, एंड 20 अदर सूट्स के लिए। नेक्स्ट 157, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजन मीन प्रॉफिट हैज बीन डिफाइंड इन द सीपीसी? दैट इज सेक्शन 212. सी इज द आंसर। 24 में क्या है? डिस्ट्रिक्ट। 28 में जज। 214 में ऑर्डर। नेक्स्ट 158, द पीरियड ऑफ लिमिटेशन विद इन विच डिफेंडेंट शैल सबमिट हिज रिटन स्टेटमेंट इज 30 days from date of service of summons. A is the answer. कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है ये? ऑर्डर 8 रूल 1 में। नेक्स्ट 159, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिट्स द डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ रेस जुडिकाटा इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल? दैट इज हैबियस कॉर्पस. डी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 160, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टीज इज लायबल टू अटैचमेंट एंड सेल इन द एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ अ डिक्री? राइट टू फ्यूचर मेंटेनेंस नहीं हो सकता, प्रोमिसरी नोट हो जाएगा, बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स नहीं हो पाएंगी, राइट टू पर्सनल सर्विस नहीं हो पाएगा। तो क्या हो सकता है? प्रोमिसरी नोट ओनली। बी इज द आंसर। भाई सेक्शन कौन सा है? सेक्शन है 60 सीपीसी। नेक्स्ट 161, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ सूट ऑफ सिविल नेचर? सूट फॉर अरियर्स ऑफ सैलरी हो जाएगा, बरियल है, ये सिविल नेचर है, आरसीआर तो है ही है। सूट अगेंस्ट डेप्रिवेशन फ्रॉम अटेंडिंग सोशल फंक्शन, भाई कोई अपने सोशल फंक्शन में किसी को बुला नहीं रहा, तो ये सूट ऑफ सिविल नेचर नहीं है। ए इज द आंसर। Next is 162. Which one of the following does not find a place under provision on section 94 CPC relating to the supplemental proceedings? देखिए, अरेस्ट बिफोर जजमेंट का प्रोविजन दिया हुआ है, यस। अटैचमेंट बिफोर जजमेंट का, यस। टेम्पररी इंजंक्शन, यस। अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ रिसीवर है, एग्जीक्यूटर नहीं है, तो डी इसमें आंसर रहेगा। Next 163. Which one of the following is not required in the filing a representative suit under Order 1 Rule 8 of CPC? Numerous parties होने चाहिए, yes. Same interest, leave the court. Written permission of those who are being represented. Written permission की जरूरत नहीं है, D इसका आंसर रहेगा। Next 164. The provision for institution of the suit is given in which of the following section CPC? That is 26. A is the answer. Next 117. Which order under CPC provide detailed rule regarding judgment and decree? That is order 20. Order 19 क्या है? Affidavits. 21 क्या है? Execution. And 23 withdrawal or compromise. Next 118. Which of the provision of CPC deals with consequence of disobedience of an injunction granted by court? That is order 39. Rule 2A. C is the answer. Next 119. Order 21 CPC dealing with execution of decree and order contains 106 rules. D is the answer. Next 120. Which of the following is not a case on res judicata? देखिए, ड्यूचेस ऑफ किंग्सटन केस है, मुन्ने बीबी त्रिलोकीनाथ है, बैरन प्रेस्टोन जी कार्यवाला यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया है, छज्जूराम ने की नहीं है। बी इज द आंसर। Next 21. Which provision of CPC deals with enforcement of a decree against legal representative? देखिए, ये दिया गया है सेक्शन 52 में, तो ऑप्शंस में नहीं है, तो आंसर क्या रहेगा? डी, नन ऑफ द अबव। नेक्स्ट 122. एन ओरिजिनल सूट फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ ₹20 लाख शैल बी इंस्टीट्यूटेड इन द कोर्ट ऑफ। देखिए, दिस डिपेंड्स ऑन स्टेट टू स्टेट बेसिस। आपके स्टेट में क्या है वो देख लीजिए। जनरली डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज के पास जाना चाहिए। बी इसका आंसर हो सकता है। Next 123. Which of the following provision of CPC provides for adjudication of claims and objections to attachment of property? That is order 21 rule 58. B is the answer. Next 124. Match the following list, tick the correct. अब order CPC है, तो देखिए 21 बता ही चुके हैं, तो दो क्वेश्चन तो इसमें वैसे ही पूछ लिए हैं। एग्जीक्यूशन पर हो गया, फिर ही ये 17 किस पर है? एडजमेंट्स पर। 29 है सूट अगेंस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन। 33 है सूट अगेंस्ट इंडिविजुअल पर्सन। क्या बन गया? 4123। सी इज द आंसर। 125 फिर से मैच करना है। सेक्शन 10 क्या है? रेस्ट सब जुडाइज। 11 रेस्ट जुडिकाटा। 39 ट्रांसफर ऑफ डिक्री। 151 इनहेरेंट पावर्स। तो क्या बन गया इसका? 4321। ए इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 126. विच प्रोविजन ऑफ CPC प्रोवाइड्स दैट वन पर्सन मे sue और डिफेंड on behalf of all in same interest? That is order 1 rule 8. C is the answer. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? representative suit. Next 127. The meaning of written statement is answer by defendant of plaintiff suit. C is the answer. का mention किया provision कहाँ पर है? order 8 rule 1. Next 128. CPC amendment of 2002 came into force on 1/7/2002. 1 जुलाई से हुआ था ये लागू। is the answer. Next 129. Which one of the following section has been newly added in CPC by Amendment Act of 1999? देखिए, लग तो रहा कि ओरिजिनल है सारे, इसमें कोई ABC नहीं है, बट देखिए सेक्शन 89 है, उसको रिपील कर दिया गया था 1940 में, ठीक है, बट इसको फिर से री एड किया गया, मतलब दोबारा से इसको इंसर्ट कर दिया गया by the Amendment Act of 1999 with effect from 1 जुलाई 2002. सी इसका आंसर रहेगा। Next 130. Under which provision of CPC the collector may be appointed as receiver? That is order 40 rule 5. D is the answer. रिपीट को देखिए, फिर से 2008 में पूछा गया है ये। Next 131. Objection as to local and pecuniary jurisdiction shall be raised at the first opportunity. सेक्शन है 21। फिर से रिपीट क्वेश्चन 2008 में फिर से पूछा गया है। इस पेपर से जो 2006 का पेपर हम कर रहे हैं और 2008 में जो है बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं इस पेपर से ही। Next 132. The doctrine of res judicata is not applicable in the case of habeas corpus. A is the answer. Next 133. All orders and notices served on or given to any person under provision of CPC shall be in writing is provided under। ये रिपीट क्वेश्चन है ये। सेक्शन 142 बी इज द आंसर. 141 क्या है? मिसलेनियस प्रोविजंस. 143 क्या है? पोस्टेज. 144 रेस्टिट्यूशन. बी इसका आंसर रहेगा. नेक्स्ट 134 प्रोविजन रिलेटिंग टू सेट ऑफ काउंटर क्लेम आर कंटेन्ड इन ऑर्डर 8. सेट ऑफ कहाँ पर है? रूल 6 में एंड काउंटर क्लेम रूल 6A में. नेक्स्ट 135 कोर्ट में compel the attendance of any person to whom a summon has been issued under section 32 CPC. For the purpose may impose a fine up to not exceeding 5,000 rupees. D is the answer. पहले 500 था बट ये 2002 की अमेंडमेंट से इसको 5,000 कर दिया गया. Next 136 no second appeal shall lie under section 102 when subject matter of original suit is the recovery of money not exceeding 25,000 rupees. D is the answer. Next 61 provision relating to set off and counter claim under CPC are contained in order 8. Order 8 rule 1 is written statement. Order 8 rule 6 is set off and 6A for counter claim. Next 62 all orders and notices served on or given to any person under provision of CPC shall be in writing has been provided under section 142. B is the answer. 141 में क्या है? मिसलेनियस प्रोसीडिंग्स. 143 में क्या है? पोस्टेज. 143 रेस्टिट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट 66 which one of the following section of CPC deals with the essence of this code that objection as to local and pecuniary jurisdiction shall be raised at the first opportunity. That is mentioned in section 21A is the answer. Next 64 under which one of the following provision of CPC the principle of res judicata has been explained. That is section 11 and explanation 4. C is the answer. Next 65 under CPC where any party dies after conclusion and before the pronouncement of judgment the suit shall not abate. It will be deemed that judgment has been pronounced after death of the party. D is the answer. abate नहीं होगा. और ये कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया है? ये है ऑर्डर 22 एंड रूल है 6. Next 66 under CPC where a person who is necessary party to a suit has not been joined as a party in the case of non-joinder. B is the answer. कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया है? ऑर्डर 1 रूल 9 में. Next 67 under CPC when the service of summons to the defendant is not made to him due to his absence with reasonable time summons can be served to एनी एडल्ट मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली. तो एडल्ट सन पे कर सकते हैं, डॉटर पे कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ लिखा माइनर डॉटर, तो बी इसका आंसर हो जाएगा. और ये कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? ये प्रोवाइड किया है ऑर्डर 5 एंड रूल 15. नेक्स्ट 68 अंडर सेक्शन 96 ऑफ CPC एन अपील कैन लाई अगेंस्ट प्रिलिमिनरी डिक्री, ओरिजिनल डिक्री, सेकेंडरी डिक्री. 96 में किस पर अप्लाई होती है? ओरिजिनल डिक्री पर. बी इज द आंसर. उसमें लिखा ही 96 में अपील फ्रॉम ओरिजिनल डिक्री. बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 69 अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिजेक्शन ऑफ प्लेंट हैज बीन मेंशन ऑर्डर 7 रूल 11. ए इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 70 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजन इज रिलेटेड टू एफिडेविट्स ऑर्डर 19. बी इज द आंसर. 17 में क्या है? 17 है एडजर्नमेंट्स. 26 है कमीशन. 39 क्या है? टेम्परेरी इंजंक्शंस. Next 71 under which of the following provision of CPC the collector may be appointed as receiver. That is order 40 rule 5. D is the answer. Next 72 provision of section 80 CPC are mandatory. A is the answer. 80 CPC में क्या है? Requirement of 2 month notice to government. Next 73 हाउ मच टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सर्विंग अ नोटिस अंडर सेक्शन 80 CPC. देखिए ऊपर वाला पूछ लिया ना यहाँ पर 2 month नोटिस. बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 57 अरेस्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन इन एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ अ डिक्री हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड इन सेक्शन 55. डी इज द आंसर. 56 में क्या है? नो अरेस्ट ऑफ वुमन इन एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ डिक्री ऑफ मनी. Next 58 under order 6 rule 17 the court can allow or alter amend pleading to either party. Yes, obviously A is the answer. Next 59 which of the following section of CPC defines mean profit. 212 डी इज द आंसर। 214 में क्या है? ऑर्डर। 24 क्या है? डिस्ट्रिक्ट। 26 फॉरेन जजमेंट। नेक्स्ट 60 ऑर्डर 42 CPC डील्स विद अपील फ्रॉम appellate decrees, डी इज द आंसर। अपील टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट 45 order 45, appealed by individual person 44, appeal against order 43. Next 61 preliminary decree can be passed in a suit for partition, partnership, mean profit. Yes, all of the above is the answer. Order 20 provides for the same. Next 60 under section 15 of CPC, every suit shall be instituted in the court of lowest grade. B is the answer. Next 63 pleading has been defined in order 6 rule 1. Obviously A is the answer. Order 8 किसके लिए है? WS के लिए. And set off and counterclaim. Next 64 which provision of CPC provides that one person may sue or defend on behalf of all in same interest. Order 1 rule 8 इसको बोलते क्या है? Representative suit. Next 65 which of the following authorities is not entitled to try a case summarily under the CRPC? Judicial Magistrate second class. D is the answer unless empowered by high specifically. ठीक है, D इसका आंसर रहेगा। कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? सेक्शन 260। Next 66 which one of the following section of CPC deals with revision? Next 112 a decree may be executed by either by the court which pass it or to which it is sent. D is the answer and कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? सेक्शन 38 of CPC. Next 113 on which of the following maxim doctrine of res judicata is based? Intus publica ut finititium. D is the answer. Interest of republic is in finishing litigations. Next 114 right to lodge a caveat has been provided under section 148A. B is the answer and maximum period 90 days. ये भी आता है क्वेश्चन में। अब आ गया CPC question 107 in which section mean profit has been defined? 212. D is the answer. 24 में क्या है? District. 28 में judge and 214 order. Next 108 provision of CPC specially apply to writ petition, always apply to writ petition, and do not specifically apply to writ petition. B is the answer. Next 109 order 7 rule 10 is return of plaint. A is the answer. Rejection is in rule 11. Next 110 objection as to place of suing shall be allowed in the court of first instance is the essence of section 21. D is the answer. Next 111 under which section of CPC inherent powers of court has been provided? Under section 151. Next 112 under which section of CPC pecuniary jurisdiction of the court has been provided? Section 6. D is the answer. Next 113 in which section of CPC provision relating to suit of civil nature? Section 9. B is the answer. Next 114 under which section of CPC provision relating to principle of res judicata? Section 11. कितना easy पेपर था ये। Next 115 under which order of CPC provision relating to appointment of receiver has been provided? Order 40 rule 1. A is the answer. अगर पूछा हो कि collector as a receiver तो rule 5 है। Next 116 which of the following properties are liable to attachment of sale and sale in execution of a decree under section 60? बुक बैंक नोट्स चेक्स ये कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैं ये नहीं कर सकते। बुक ऑफ अकाउंट नहीं कर सकते, स्टाइपेंड ग्रेच्युटी नहीं कर सकते, तो ए इसका आंसर रहेगा। Next 117 under CPC pleading means plain and written statement. D is the answer. This is order 6 rule 1. Next 118 under section 104 CPC an appeal can be preferred against all of them. D is the answer. 91, 95, 92. Next 119 which order of CPC provides for representative suit? That is order 1 and rule 8 है ये। यहाँ पे rule 1 लिखा हुआ है, so options are wrong. Order 1, Rule 8. Next 120, Order 39, Rule 2 deals with temporary injunction. B is the answer. Next 121, which section of CPC prohibits arrest and detention of women in execution of decree for money? Section 56. B is the answer. Next 122, which one is not correctly matched? Institution of suit 4 में है, judgment decree 20 में है, issue summons 5 में है, issue commission is in 26, not 21. 21 में क्या है? Execution of decree. So wrong कौन हो गया? D is the answer. Next 123, under which section or order of CPC a provision is made to provide free legal services to indigent persons? That is order 33 and rule 18. C is the answer. Next 124, as provided in section 79 CPC, a suit by central government must be filed in the name of Union of India. D is the answer. Next 125, which section of CPC provides for right to lodge a caveat? That is 148A. B is the answer. Next 126, which section of CPC grants exemption to members of legislature from arrest and detention? That is 135A. C is the answer. Next 105, which one of the following is not a suit of civil nature? Right to worship, yes. Partnership, yes. Common law right, yes. Political question is not. D is the answer. And where's the provision in section 9 CPC? Next 106, A residing in Mumbai publishes a statement defamatory against B in Delhi. Where can B file the suit for compensation against A, either in Delhi or Mumbai? C is the answer. Next 107, a plaint can be rejected under order 7 rule 11. C is the answer. Under 7 rule 10, it is return of plaint. Next 108, pleading must be signed by the pleader and party both. C is the answer. And where this is mentioned, it is mentioned in order 6 rule 14. Next 109, Court of Small Causes under section 3 is subordinate to High Court and District Court both. So A and B. D is the answer. Next 110, constructive res judicata is contained in explanation 4 to section 11. B is the answer. Next 111, provision of interpreted suit is given in section 88. A is the answer. And order कौन सा है? Order 35. Next 112, set off can be claimed in any suit or recovery of money suit. Recovery of money suit, B is the answer with the provision order 8 rule 6. Next 113, judgment and decree have been dealt in which of the following order? That is order 20. A is the answer. Order 21 is execution. Order 19 is affidavits and 20A is cost. Next 114, notice under section 80 when it relates to railway has to be served on which of the following? General manager of concerned railway. C is the answer where it is provided in section 80 of the CPC. Next 115, where the local limits of jurisdiction of courts are uncertain, the place of institution of suit shall be decided according to the provision of section 18. C is the answer. 16 is general territorial jurisdiction. 17 is when different courts have jurisdiction. 19 is jurisdiction in case of compensation wrong to person or movables. Next 116, whom is the following is not a public officer within the meaning of section 217 of CPC? A judge is there, a person in service getting pay from the government, yes. A Sarpanch or Gram Panchayat is not there, so B is the answer. Next 117, in which of the following section of CPC provision for suit relating to public charities is found? That is 92 and 93. B is the answer. Next 118, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? 25 foreign court, yes. 26 foreign judgment. 211 LRs and 210 is judgment debtor. Mean profit is in 212. So which one is not correct? D is not correct. D is the answer. Next, 19, Section 25 CPC provides for which of the following power of Supreme Court to transfer cases? A is the answer. Next, 120, Section 152 CPC empowers the court to amend judgment, decree, or orders in respect of clerical and arithmetical mistakes, accidental slips. Both. C is the answer. Next, 121, which of the following order or rule under CPC provides that in every case of examination, chief or witness shall be on affidavit? That is order 18. देखिए everywhere it's order 18. They are asking specific rule. Rule 4. So A is the answer. Next, 122, which of the following section of CPC provides ground for second appeal? That is section 100. B is the answer. Next, 123, which one of the following section of CPC provides exemption of certain women from personal appearance in the court? That is 132. D is the answer. Next, 124, which of the following order or rules CPC provides for framing of issues? That is order 14, rule 1. B is the answer. Next, 125, CPC extend to whole India except the paper is of 2012. So at that time Jammu Kashmir was excluded, but after Reconciliation Act 2019 it is now included. So only that B option would be correct, state of Nagaland and tribal areas. Next, 126, a caveat lodged under section 148A will remain in force for maximum 90 days. D is the answer. Next, 127, a decree may be executed under section 38 CPC by which of the following court? Either by the court which passed it or by the court to which it is sent for execution. D is the answer. Next, 128, the court may at any stage of the proceedings allow either party to alter or amend his pleadings. That is order 6, rule 17. D is the answer. Next, 129, which of the following modes of settlement of dispute outside the court has not been mentioned in the section 89? Negotiation is not mentioned there. C is the answer. अब देखिए यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो गया CPC. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, which of the following section of CPC deals with institution of suit? तो ये है सेक्शन 26. 27 में क्या है? Summons to defendant. 13 में क्या है? When foreign judgment not conclusive. foreign judgments के लिए. 29 में क्या है? Service of foreign summons. कैसे भेजेंगे foreign summons? D is the answer. Next is 129. Which one of the following is not a suit of civil nature? Suit relating to right of worship, suit involving purely religious rights, suit for rent, suit for hereditary office. Purely religious rights जो हैं वो suit of civil nature नहीं होता. B is the answer. Next is 130. A residing in Dehradun beats B in Lucknow. B may sue A under CPC. Either in Lucknow or in Dehradun. Both. A is the answer. Next, 131, section of CPC can be amended by the parliament. Same question was asked in 2016. Over there I also discussed section 122 provides that High Court has power to make rules, but no provision talks about the amendment of sections. So only parliament has the power. Next is question number 132. Inherent power of court can be exercised under CPC for end of justice to prevent abuse of process of the court. Section कौन सा है inherent power का? 151 CPC. Next 133. Under CPC the provision before instituting a suit against government is section 80. When it is no section 6 में क्या है? Pecuniary jurisdiction. Section 21 क्या है? Objection as to jurisdiction. Next 134. Under CPC the court may not issue commission in which of the following matters? To examine person, to examine accounts, for execution of decree, to make partition. For execution of a decree के लिए नहीं जाएंगे. And commissions की provision कहाँ पर है? Section 75 and order 26. Next is 135. Under CPC, which one of the following is liable to attachment and sale in execution of a decree? अटैचमेंट एंड सेल एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ डिक्री कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ये हम मेंशन सेक्शन 60 में. तो क्या कर सकते हैं? विच वन इज लाइबल? लाइबल पूछा है तो प्रोमिसरी नोट्स. बी इज द आंसर. पहने कपड़े मजदूर है उसके टूल्स हैं औजार जो है वो बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स ये आप अटैच नहीं कर सकते. बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 136. CPC prohibits arrest or detention in civil prison of a woman in execution of a decree for the payment of money. B is the answer. 55 में क्या है? Arrest and detention. 57 में क्या है? Subsistence allowance. 58 में क्या है? Detention and release. आंसर रहेगा B. Next question number 137. Under CPC, a decree may be executed by court which passed it or by the court to which it is sent for execution. D is the answer. Section 38. Next is 138. Does the pendency of a civil suit in a foreign court preclude the court in India from trying a suit founded on the same cause of action? No. B is the answer. Next is 139. Mean profit has been defined in section 212. 214 में क्या है? Order. 28 में क्या है? Judge. 24 में क्या है? District. C is the answer. Next is 140. Which one of the following section of CPC provides trial in open court where public may have access? D है section 153B. B is the answer. 153A में क्या है? Power of court to amend when summarily dismissed. एक केस कोई समरी डिसमिस कर दिया उसकी पावर 153A में है. 150C and D are no sections. Next is 141. Under which one of the following section of CPC court may ask parties to dispute go for mediation? 89. 88 में क्या है? Interpleader suit. 87 क्या है? Foreign rulers as party to suit. 86 is no section. B is the answer. Next is 142. By which one of the amendment of CPC scope of summary trial was substantially widened? So it was CPC Amendment Act 1976. C is the answer. Earlier it was only for negotiable instruments, but now it is for everything. So it is widened. The scope is widened. Next is question number 143. Under which provision of CPC an ambassador can be sued? It is section 86. A is the answer. 88 में क्या है? Again interpleader suit अभी डिस्कस किया था. 88 is no section. This is not option. A is the answer. Next is 144. Morgan Stanley Mutual Fund versus Kartik Das case related to which of the following? About interim injunction. C is the answer. Next is 145. When a court can reject a plaint where plaintiff fails to comply with Rule 9, barred by law, not in duplicate, all of the above. D is the answer. Order 7, Rule 11, rejection of plaint talks about that. Next 146. Under CPC, find the incorrect match. Revenue Court 5 में, Provincial Small Court 7 में, pecuniary jurisdiction is in section 6. 9 में क्या है? Suit of civil nature. Alright, so इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? C. Next 147. Under section 13 of CPC, which of the following judgments shall not be conclusive? Judgment not on merit, breach of in-law, against international law, all of the above. D is the answer. Next 148. Rule 6 to 10 of Order 39 deals with interlocutory orders. D is the answer. Next is 149. Rule relating to interpreter suit have been provided in Order 35. B is the answer. 50 में क्या है? 50 is for provincial small cause courts. 55 orders are only up to 51. Order 40 is receiver. Next is 150. In which of the following case Sir Lawrence Jenkins has observed that rule of res judicata, while founded on account of precedent, is directed by wisdom which is for all times? It was Shio Parsan Singh versus Ramanand Singh. B is the answer. Next is 151. What is the essence of pleadings? Plead facts, not law. A is the answer. Pleadings का पर मेंशन है ऑर्डर 6 में. ऑर्डर 6 के रूल 2 में ये लिखा गया है. ऑलराइट.
Next is question number 121.
The term res sub judice means stay of suit, stay of appeal, stay of application or stay of execution. It is stay of suit. res sub judice. Section number, which section? Section 10 of CPC.
Next is question number 122.
Under section 100 of CPC, second appeal lies to the High Court only on the ground of what? Substantial question of law. Option B. Next question. Question number 123. Which of the following person may not file an application for execution under CPC, namely a decree holder, legal representative? If the decree holder is dead, a person claiming under decree holder, or the fourth is judgment debtor. Right answer is judgment debtor. 124. Who may apply for reference under 113 of CPC? A party to the suit, court, both A and B, or none of the above? The court. Next question. It is a statement of a claim, a document by presentation of which the suit is instituted, is called an affidavit, written statement, counterclaim, or plaint. It is called as plaint. Affidavit is in order 19 and counterclaim is order 8 6A. Written statement is order 8. Plaint is order 7. Question 126. Order 42 of CPC deals with what? Appeal to Supreme Court, appeal to indigent persons, appeal from appellate decrees, or appeal against orders. Order 42. Then it is appeal from appellate decrees. 42. Okay. 127 is which one of the following provision of CPC is related to affidavit? Order 19 is affidavit, earlier I told you. And order 17 is adjournment. Order 26 is commissions. And what is order 39 is temporary injunction. Okay. Question number 128. Under which provision of CPC a plaint is rejected by the court in absence of cause of action? Order 7, Rule 11A, B, or D, or C? Right answer is order 7, Rule 11A.
Next is question number 129.
A caveat shall not remain in force after the expiry of days. It is option C, 90 days of its filing. 90 days. Now question number 130. Under which provision of CPC attachment before judgment is provided? It is provided under order 38, Rule 5 to 13. Question number 131. Execution of decree for specific performance for restitution of conjugal rights or an injunction is provided under CPC, and which order? It is provided under order 21, Rule 32. Specific performance for restitution of conjugal rights. 132. Maximum amount which a court may order for payment of compensatory cost in case of false or vexations, claims, or defenses under CPC is how much? It is 3,000 rupees. Option B, mentioned in 35A. Now question number 133. A garnishee order under CPC is issued to whom? It is issued to judgment debtors, debtor. Order 21. And what is in 46A? It is notice. Now 134. Which of the following order of CPC is related to set off and counter claims? It is order 8, set off and counter claims. 135. Which of the following is not correctly matched according to CPC? Legal representative section 50, notice 80, letter of request 77, or res sub judice 11. Right answer is D. Res sub judice is not in section 11, it is in section 10. 11 is res judicata. 136. CPC Amendment Act 2002 was enforced from 1st July 2002. 1st July.
Next is question number 137. During the proceedings for execution of a decree, if a question arises as whether any person is or is not the representative of a party, such question must be determined by option A, the court which passed the decree, option B, the court executing the decree, option C, appellate court, and option D, none of the above. Then the right answer is option B, the court executing the decree, and it is mentioned under section 47 subsection 3. Next is question number 138.
Supplementary proceedings under section 94 of CPC does not include arrest before judgment, attachment before judgment, temporary injunction का spelling mistake है, and D, appointment of executor. Right answer is appointment of executor, section 94.
Now question 139.
Under CPC, foreign court means what? A court situated outside India and is not established under the authority of government of India, court situated in India applying foreign law, or all of the above. The right answer is option B. The court situated outside India, not established under the authority of government of India, is a foreign court.
And where is the definition of foreign court? It is mentioned under section 2 clause 5.
Question 140. Guardian ad litem used under CPC means a local commissioner court, a person defending a suit on behalf of insane person, a person defending a suit on behalf of a minor. It is option D, suit on behalf of a minor, mentioned under order 32 rule 3.
यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है CPC. क्वेश्चन नंबर 178. प्रोविजन रिलेटिंग टू प्रीसेप्ट इज प्रोवाइडेड इन CPC अंडर सेक्शन 46. D इज द आंसर. 40 में क्या है? ट्रांसफर ऑफ डिक्री टू अनदर स्टेट. 44A में क्या है? एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ डिक्री इन रेसिप्रोकेटिंग स्टेट. 45 में क्या है? आउटसाइड इंडिया, एग्जीक्यूशन आउटसाइड इंडिया. ठीक है, इसका आंसर रहेगा डी. नेक्स्ट 179. Order 29 of CPC is related to suits by or against corporation. C is the answer. Suits by government कहाँ पर है? 27 में. Suits by pauper कहाँ पर है? 33 में. None of the above कहाँ पर है? D में. Next question number 18. Which one of the following section CPC prohibits arrest or detention of women in execution of decree of for money? So B is the answer. Section 56 provides that. 55 में क्या है? Arrest and detention. 59 में क्या है? रिलीज ऑन ग्राउंड ऑफ इलनेस. 60 में क्या है? अटैचमेंट कब कर सकते हैं, कब कैसे करनी है. नेक्स्ट 181. अंडर प्रोविजन ऑफ CPC हाई कोर्ट कैन ट्रांसफर एनी केस. तो दैट इज सेक्शन 24. सी इज द आंसर. 20 में क्या लिखा हुआ है? अदर सूट्स टू बी इंस्टीट्यूटेड. और 12 में क्या है? बार टू फर्दर सूट. 15 में क्या है? कोड इन विच सूट टू बी इंस्टीट्यूटेड. कहाँ करेंगे? लोवेस्ट ग्रेड वाला, लोवेस्ट ग्रेड कोर्ट में. सी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज 182. A court may appoint a receiver on any property only before the decree, only after the decree, before or after the decree. C is the answer. Before or after the decree. कभी भी कर सकते हैं. Next is 183. Under section 115 CPC, revision may lie to High Court. B is the answer. Next is 184. Where a person is a necessary party to a suit is not implicated in the suit, the matter is of non-joinder. Again asked in 2018, 2019. Next is 185. Which one of the following combination is mismatched? Mismatched मतलब not correct. Temporary injunction 39 में है. Caveat 148A में. Pseudo proper yes. Power of appellate court 102. No, it is in 107. 102 में क्या है? No second appeal where decree is less than rupees 25,000. All right. Next 186. All orders notices served on or given to any person under the provision of this code shall be in writing. ये कहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है? ये लिखा हुआ है सेक्शन 142 में. 144 में क्या है? रेस्टिट्यूशन. 144 में क्या है? मिसलेनियस प्रोसीडिंग्स. 143 में क्या है? पोस्टेज. नेक्स्ट 187. Which one of the following provision of CPC provides that no appeal shall lie from decree passed by the court with the consent of parties? It is mentioned in 96 subsection 3. C is the answer. 96 के 1 में क्या लिखा हुआ है? Appeal shall lie from every decree passed by the court except original jurisdiction. ठीक है. 2 में क्या है? Appeal में lie from an original decree passed ex parte. Ex parte decree की बात करते हैं. Original jurisdiction की अपील की बात करते हैं. 4 में क्या बात करते हैं? नो अपील शैल लाई फ्रॉम अ डिक्री ऑफ एनी सूट ऑफ नेचर कॉग्निजेबल बाय कोर्ट ऑफ स्मॉल कॉजेज विद द अमाउंट डज नॉट एक्सीड 10,000 रुपीज. मतलब नो अपील ऑफ डिक्री ऑफ कोर्ट ऑफ स्मॉल कॉजेज लेस देन रुपीज 10,000. Next is 188. Under CPC, what may be substituted for someone where the defendant is, in the opinion of court, of a rank entitling him to such mark of consideration? Letter. B is the answer. एंड ये कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया? मेंशन किया गया ऑर्डर 5 के रूल 30 में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 189. The death of the plaintiff or defendant shall not cause the suit to abate if cause of action survives या relief या फिर right to sue survives. C is the answer. ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? इन ऑर्डर 22 एंड रूल 1 में. C इसमें आंसर रहेगा. Next question number 190. The principle of constructive res judicata was explained by Honorable Supreme Court in State of UP versus Nawab Hussain. B is the answer. Next 191. Inherent powers may be used by the court for the end of justice to prevent abuse the process of court. A and B both. C is the answer. Next is 192. Which one of the following order is appealable? Order under section 35. 35 में क्या है? कोर्स. 35A में क्या है? कॉम्पनसेशन फॉर फॉल्स एंड वेक्सिशियस क्लेम्स. बी में क्या है? कॉस्ट फॉर कॉजिंग डिले. पावर टू स्टेट केस फॉर ओपिनियन ऑफ कोर्ट. तो इसमें कौन सा अपीलेबल है? तो ये फॉल्स एंड वेक्सिशियस क्लेम वाला जो है कॉम्पनसेशन, इट कैन बी अपील्ड अगेंस्ट सच ऑर्डर बट नॉट फॉर द कॉस्ट एंड ओपिनियंस. Next is 193. Which one of the following question cannot be determined by the executing court? Discharge of decree, execution, satisfaction, amendment. So amendment cannot be determined. C is the answer. And sometimes it is written as modification of decree. And ये कहाँ पर mention किया गया है? ये mention किया गया है 47 में, section 47. Next is 194. Which of the following methods cannot be adopted by the court for execution of decree under section 51? 51 में क्या है? Power of court to enforce execution. कैसे कराना है execution? By delivery of any property specifically decreed, attachment, sale, issue of summon parties, appointing a receiver. तो by issue of summon to party, summon करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये हम कर सकते हैं. C is the answer. Next is 195. Under which provision CPC a collector may be appointed as receiver? Order 40 Rule 5. D is the answer. Next is 196. Under CPC, where defendant is absent from his residence at a time when service of someone is sought to be effected, service may be made on adult son of the defendant. Service can be made on adult member of the family. It is mentioned in Order 5 Rule 15, and servant is not a member of the family. It is also mentioned. Next is 197. Salary to the extent of first 1,000 rupees and 2/3 remainder shall not be liable to attachment or sale in execution of decree other than maintenance. B is the answer, because maintenance में क्या ना सिर्फ 1/3 लेफ्ट करके आप सारा अटैच कर सकते हैं. मतलब 2/3 can be attached, but in other decrees only 1/3 can be attached. देखा ना, shall not पूछा है तो घुमा के पूछा हुआ है क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर. ये which one of the following question may be determined by court executing the decree? अब एक क्वेश्चन 193 में जो है पूछा था कि कौन सा नहीं कर सकते डिटरमाइन, यहाँ पूछ लिया कौन सा कर सकते हैं. एग्जीक्यूशन, डिक्री, डिस्चार्ज, सेटिस्फैक्शन. ऑल ऑफ द अबव अगेन मेंशन इन सेक्शन 47. नेक्स्ट 199. प्रॉफिट रिसीव्ड ड्यूरिंग रॉन्गफुल पोजेशन ओवर अ प्रॉपर्टी इज मीन प्रॉफिट. सो मेंशन इन सेक्शन 212. सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है अब CPC. क्वेश्चन इज 126. Who of the following is not a legal representative according to CPC? Writers. LRs is mentioned in section 2 clause 11. Next 127. Where a compromise was arrived between parties to a suit by applying fraud, misrepresentation, mistake, a decree was passed with the consent of the party, then the affected party may select which one of the following alternatives for setting aside such decree, namely the course through second suit. D is the answer. Order 23. Consent decree. Next question number 128. Section 89 provides for settlement of disputes outside court. A is the answer. Arbitration, conciliation, mediation are the forms. Which is not mentioned is negotiation. This question is asked in 2018, 2019. Next is 129. Which provision of CPC provides that one person may sue or defend on behalf of all in same interests? Order 1 Rule 8. Same question was asked in 2018. Next is 130. Under CPC, an expired decree can be set aside under Order 9 Rule 13. D is the answer. Next is 131. The number of days a caveat remains operative after its filing 90 days. Asked in 2019. Provision is in section 148A. D is the answer. Next is 132. Under CPC, who one of the following is not exempted from personal appearance in the court? Minister of Union Government, State Government, Vice President of India, Vice Chancellor of University. So it is Vice Chancellor of University. D is the answer. Next question number 33. A and B sue C for recovery of ₹1,000. C has a debt due to him by A alone. Here C cannot set off debt due to him by A alone. D is the answer. Set off, which is mentioned in Order 8, Rule 6. Illustration है F. Next 134. Under CPC, for the first time, provision for compensatory cost in respect to false investigation claim or defenses has been made under Section 35A and up to maximum 3,000 or pecuniary limit of court. Alright, 35 में क्या है? 35 में है cost. 35B में क्या है? Cost for causing delay. 34 में क्या है? Interest. Next is 135. Whom the following person is not a public officer according to 217. 217 में क्या दी हुई definition public officer की? कौन है? तहसीलदार, judge, member of all India services? Yes, D is the answer. Sarpanch is not a public officer. Next is 136. According to CPC, future interest can be awarded by the court in a suit at 6% per annum. A is the answer mentioned in Section 34. Next is 137. A garnishee is a judgment debtor's debtor. B is the answer mentioned in Order 21, Rule 46A में है notice to garnishee and 46B में क्या है? Order against garnishee. B is the answer. Next is 138. Suits relating to immovable property may be filed in a court within whose local jurisdiction where property is situated. C is the answer mentioned in Section 16. Next is 139. Under CPC, an appeal may be filed by way of an memorandum. B is the answer. An appeal का order कौन सा है? 41 Rule 1 वहीं पर mention है ये. Next is 140. Under Section 26 CPC, facts should be proved by affidavit. C is the answer. And what is the order of affidavit? It is Order 19. Next question number 141. Objection as to local or pecuniary jurisdiction shall be raised at the first available opportunity according to CPC under Section 21. B is the answer. Next is 142. Under civil law, the term multifariousness means a misjoinder of cause of action as well as parties. D is the answer. Next is 143. In civil suit, the issue are framed by the court. D is the answer. And where is framing of issues? Order 14 Rule 1. Next question number 144. Where the plaint has been rejected, the plaintiff on the same cause of action cannot present the fresh suit, may file the fresh suit with the leave of the High Court only, may file the fresh suit. इसका आंसर है may present the fresh suit. And where is the provision for rejection of plaint? Order 7 Rule 11. Next 145. Where after the end of hearing but before pronouncement of judgment, if any party of the suit dies, then the suit will not abate. Mentioned in provision Order 22 Rule 6. B is the answer. Next 146. Where an appeal from original decree is dismissed on the ground that it is time barred, then the best recourse and remedy available to the affected party is to file a review. Provision है Section 114 में and order है 47. A is the answer. Next is 147. Section of CPC can be amended by Parliament. D is the answer. देखिए सेक्शन 122 कहता है कि हाई कोर्ट हैज़ पावर टू अमेंड रूल्स अमेंड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सेक्शन अमेंड करने की पावर नहीं है हाई कोर्ट के पास. तो इसमें ऑप्शन कौन सा बचा? पार्लियामेंट इज द आंसर. डी इज द आंसर. Next 148. Which of the following does not include in the definition of decree? Action of plaint, yes. Determination of question, yes. Any order on dismissal of default. Order है ना ये, decision on decree. C is the answer. Decree is mentioned in section 2 clause 2. Next 149. Amendment of pleading is allowed under CPC for the purpose of saving the time of court, saving the time of party, determining the legal question involved in the controversy. C is the answer. अब यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो गया CPC. क्वेश्चन 104 क्या कहता है? रेस्ट जुडाइस मीन्स स्टे ऑफ सूट्स प्रोवाइडेड इन सेक्शन 10 ऑफ CPC. नेक्स्ट 105. प्लीडर इज डिफाइंड इन 215. 27 में क्या है? गवर्नमेंट प्लीडर तो इसमें भी है, लेकिन यहाँ से प्लीडर पूछा हुआ है. 217 क्या है? पब्लिक ऑफिसर. 211 में क्या है? लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 106. डिफाइंस ऑर्डर कहाँ पर डिफाइंड है? ये डिफाइंड है 214 में. सी इज द आंसर. ऑर्डर की पूछ रहे हैं, ऑर्डर कहाँ पर है? 214 में. सी इज द आंसर. 22 में क्या है? 22 तो सबको ही पता होना चाहिए, डिक्री है. 29 में क्या है? जजमेंट. 210 में क्या है? जेडी, जजमेंट डेटर. जज, जजमेंट डेटर. 3 है ये, 8 9 10, मतलब ये ऐड कर रहे हैं। जज हो गया, जजमेंट हो गया, फिर जजमेंट डेटर हो गया, जेटी जेटीडी, तो 8 9 10 समथिंग लाइक दैट। बना सकते हैं अपना कुछ भी याद करने के लिए, मैंने कुछ इस तरीके से बनाया हुआ है। आंसर है इसका सी। नेक्स्ट 107। और यहाँ सेक्शन पूछा है इज रिलेटेड टू पेक्यूनरी जुडिक्शन, कहाँ पर है? 6 में, सी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज 108। सेक्शन 115 कोड प्रोवाइड्स फॉर, देखिए रेफरेंस रिव्यू रिवीजन, मैंने ऐसे याद किया हुआ 113 114 115, तो आंसर क्या रहेगा इसका? ए, रेफरेंस रिव्यू रिवीजन। तो देखिए यहाँ पर ये पूरा अल्फ़ाबेटिकली लिखा हुआ है, रेफ एफ के बाद ही वी आएगा, और डब्ल्यू की इसमें देखिए यहाँ पर ये लंबा है। नेक्स्ट 109, विच प्रोविजन ऑफ सीपीसी प्रोवाइड दैट वन पर्सन मे sue डिफेंड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल इन सेम इंटरेस्ट। ऑर्डर 1 रूल 8 रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सूट, डी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 110 अंडर सेक्शन 15 every suit shall be instituted in the court of lowest grades, so B is the answer. Next question number 111, which of the following section of CPC defines the mean profit? So it is mentioned in 212, so D is the answer. 24 में क्या है? District. 214 is order. 26 is foreign judgment. All right, so D is the answer. Next is 112. On which of the following maxim doctrine of res judicata is based? It is based on Intrus Republica Utsis Finis Litium. Interest of Republic is in finishing litigation, so C is the answer. And res judicata कहाँ पर mention है? Section 11 of CPC में। अब ये maxim है, qui facet per alium facet per se, इसका मतलब क्या है? He who acts to another does the act himself, मतलब ये मास्टर एंड सर्वेंट, प्रिंसिपल एंड एजेंट पे ये लागू होती है मैगजीन। तो क्या बोलते हैं इसको? वाइकेरियस लाइबिलिटी। नेक्स्ट बी एक्सटर्पी कोजा नॉन ओरितुर एस्थियो, यहाँ पे स्पेलिंग गलत कर रखी है, यहाँ पे एक्शियो होना चाहिए, ए सी आना चाहिए, एस्थियो कर दिया इसको। प्लेंटिफ विल बी अनेबल टू परस्यू लीगल रिलीफ डैमेज इफ नो एक्शन कैन अराइज फ्रॉम एन इलीगल एक्ट। इसका मतलब क्या है? नो एक्शन, नॉन ऑरितुर एक्शन मतलब नो एक्शन कैन बी टेकन ऑन इलीगल एक्ट। रेस्पोंडिएट सुपीरियर, इसका मतलब क्या है? लेट द प्रिंसिपल बी हेल्ड लाइबल, मतलब इस इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू वाइकेरियस लाइबिलिटी। 112 का आंसर है सी। नेक्स्ट 113, ए डिक्री में बी एग्जीक्यूटेड बाय आइदर कोर्ट विच पास इट और विच इट इज सेंट, तो डी इज द आंसर। ये कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? ये मेंशन किया गया है सेक्शन 38 में, आंसर इज डी। नेक्स्ट 114, प्रोविजन रिलेटेड टू सेट ऑफ एंड काउंटर क्लेम कंटेन्ड इन ऑर्डर 8, रूल कौन सा है? इसका है रूल 6, इसका है रूल 6A। C is the answer. Next is 115. Meaning of written statement is answer by defendant of plaintiff suit. A is the answer. And इसका भी order कौन सा है? Same order, order 8. All right. Next is 116. Under the CPC, where a person who is necessary party to a suit has not been joined, it is a case of non-joinder. B is the answer. और ये same question 2019 में भी पूछा गया है. B is the answer. Next is 117. Provision of section 80 CPC are mandatory. A is the answer. Next is 118, which of the following provision of the CPC related to affidavits? Affidavits कहाँ पर है? Order 19 में, B is the answer. Next 119, section 25 for CPC provides for which of the following? It is related to power of Supreme Court to transfer suits. A is the answer. Next 120, notice under section 80 when it relates to railway has to be served on which of the following? General manager concerned railway, mention है 80 में ही, C is the answer. Next is 121, where the local limits of jurisdiction are uncertain, the place of institution of suit shall be decided according to which provision? Section 18, C is the answer. Next question number 122, in which of the following section of CPC provision for suit relating to public charities is found? It is section 92, 93. B is the answer. Next 123, section 152 CPC empowers the court to amend judgment, decree or order in respect of clerical arithmetical mistakes arising from any accidental slip omissions only. So answer both A and B. C is the answer. Next 124, which of the following orders and rules of CPC provides for framing of issues? It is order 14, rule 1. A is the answer. Next question 125, which one of the following modes of settlement of dispute outside the court has not been provided in 89? Same question 2019 में पूछा गया था. It was negotiation. B is the answer. Next 126, under which of the following provision of CPC the principle of constructive res judicata has been explained? It is in section 11, explanation 4. B is the answer. Next is 127, under which of the following provision rejection of plaint has been mentioned? और देखिए वहाँ पर जो है ना वो कॉज ऑफ एक्शन वाला क्लॉज पूछ लिया था, क्लॉज ए था जो, ठीक है। रूल तो सारे सेम लिखे हुए थे, ऑर्डर रूल सारे सेम लिखे हुए थे, ऑर्डर 7 रूल 11। ए इज द आंसर रहेगा इसका। 2019 में भी सेम क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है। यहाँ पर देखिए 18 में रूल 11 पूछ लिया, फिर 19 में रूल 11 के अंदर पूछ लिए। ये भी जो है ट्रिक है। नेक्स्ट 128, राइट टू लॉज कैविएट हैज़ बीन प्रोवाइडेड अंडर सेक्शन 148A। कैविएट की लिमिट कितनी है? 90 डेज की। बहुत ही कॉमन क्वेश्चन है ये, आंसर रहेगा बी। 68 से स्टार्ट हो गया CPC। सो व्हाट 68 से दुल्हाभाई वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ एमपी इज रिलेटेड टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अंडर CPC? So it was on jurisdiction of civil court. So A is the answer. Next is 69. Which of the following judgment of Supreme Court deals with the applicability of the judicata in writ petitions? So it was Daryao Singh versus State of UP. B is the answer. Next is 70. The object of oral examination under Order 10 Rule 2 CPC is to record evidence to secure admission, to elucidate the matter in controversy in the suit. So D is the answer. Next is 71. Which of the following remedies may be sought against ex parte decree? Only application under Order 9 Rule 13, या only appeal under 96(2). So it can be both A and B. So C is the answer. Next is 72. If the order to amend the pleading does not contain time limit to amend, party can make the amendment within 14 days. And ये कहाँ पर mention है? ये mention है आपके Order 6 Rule 18 में। Alright, Order 6 Rule 18 में mention है ये। Next question number 73. Period of detention in civil prison as consequence of disobedience or breach of injunction shall not exceed 3 months. It is mentioned in Order 39 Rule 2A. Okay, B is the answer. Next is 74. ये again TP है यहाँ पर। The principle of feeding the grant by estoppel is given in which of the following section of TP Act? So TP, it is mentioned in section 43. So C is the answer. Next is 75. Where a suit is wholly or partly dismissed under Order 9 Rule 8 CPC, the plaintiff may bring a fresh suit, shall be precluded from bringing a fresh suit, may bring a fresh suit with the permission of court. None of these. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? इसका आंसर है B, shall be precluded, and it is mentioned in Rule 9 of Order 9. Alright. Next is 76. Section 89 of CPC deals with which one of the following? Deals with settlement of dispute outside the court. So C is the answer. Interpret dispute कितने mention है? 88 में. Execution of decree ये mention है 38 में. And order कौन सा है इसका? 21. Interpret dispute का order कौन सा है? 35. Appointment of receiver दिया गया है order 40 में, Rule 1. Next question number 77. Judgment means part of decree, statement of judges, adjudication of right. So it is statement of judges on the ground of decree or order. So B is the answer. Next is 78. Under which of the following provision of CPC a plaintiff is rejected by the court in the absence of cause of action? So it is Order 7 Rule 11 and Clause A. ऑर्डर एंड रूल वही मेंशन है, ऑर्डर 7 रूल 11, बस ये क्लॉजेस पूछ लिए यहाँ पर। तो पहला ही क्लॉज किसका है? कॉज ऑफ एक्शन का। नेक्स्ट 79. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू इन रिलेशन टू पावर ऑफ एपलेट कोर्ट अंडर CPC? It can determine a case finally, it can remand a case, it can not take additional evidence, it can frame issue and refer them for trial. What is not true in that? It cannot take additional evidence. Next is 80. An appeal shall not lie from which of the following order under the CPC? इसका आंसर रहेगा 35B. एंड व्हाट इज 35B? कॉस्ट फॉर कॉजिंग डिले। अगर आप डिले कॉज कर रहे हैं, आप एडजमेंट मांग रहे हैं, तो कॉस्ट लगा सकते हैं, अपील नहीं होती इस ऑर्डर के खिलाफ। ऐसी क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. Whom is the following may sue for public nuisance and other wrongful act affecting the public? Advocate general only या फिर with the leave of the court, 2 or more person only? आंसर रहेगा D, both A and B. Next is 82. A bundle of facts which taken with the law applicable to them gives the plaintiff the right to relief against the defendant. It is called as cause of action. C is the answer. Next question number 83. What shall be status a suit on party's death? Death of plaintiff will abate the suit. Defendant will abate the suit. Death of plaintiff and defendant will not cause the suit to abate if the right to sue survives. So answer is D. Right to sue survives. नो अबेटमेंट। और ये कहाँ पर दिया गया है? ये दिया गया है आपके ऑर्डर 22 के रूल 1 में। नो अबेटमेंट बाय पार्टीज डेथ इफ राइट टू सू सर्वाइव्स। आंसर रहेगा डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 84. प्लेस ऑफ सुइंग इज मेंशन इन विच ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ CPC? इट इज मेंशन इन पार्ट 1. सो ए इज द आंसर। पार्ट 1 कहाँ से कहाँ तक दिया गया है? ये दिया गया है आपके सेक्शन 9 से लेकर और 35B तक। एंड जो प्लेस ऑफ सुइंग है ये है 15 से और 25 तक. It is mentioned in part 1. Next question number 85 is situation where a person who is either necessary party or proper party has not been joined in the suit is called. That is non-joinder. So A is the answer. Next question number 86. A deposit box of jewel with B, who is well reputed person of his area. C alleges that jewels were wrongfully obtained from him by A and claims them from B. Legally, B has which of the following options? To return jewel to A, deposit the jewel to police, to institute an interpreted suit against A and C. इसका आंसर रहेगा C. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया इंटरप्रेटेड सूट कहाँ पर मेंशन है, सेक्शन 88 एंड ऑर्डर 35. C is the answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 87. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ डिस्प्यूट. नॉट पूछा है. Not a dispute settlement procedure referred under section 89 CPC, that is negotiation. So B is the answer. All three are mentioned. Next question number 88. Which of the following are fundamental rules of pleading as set forth under order 6 rule 2? Every pleading must state facts, not law. It must state material facts only. It states facts in a concise form only. Answer is D. All of these. Next question number 89. A suit for partition contains which of the following decree? Only preliminary and intermediate final. And D is both A and C. D is the answer. preliminary भी होती है and final भी होती है. एंड जो प्रोविजंस दिए गए हैं पार्टीशन सूट के लिए सीपीसी में कौन कौन से प्रोविजन हैं, दैट इज सेक्शन 54 जहाँ पर एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ पार्टीशन डिक्री होता है. फिर आपका ऑर्डर 20 रूल 18 है. फिर ऑर्डर 26 जहाँ पर कमीशन भेजते हैं रूल 13 एंड 14 है. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 90. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डील्स विद एग्जाम्पशन ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव बॉडीज फ्रॉम अरेस्ट एंड डिटेंशन अंडर सीपीसी. ये दिया गया है 135A में. आंसर रहेगा सी. नेक्स्ट 91. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ सीपीसी डील्स विद स्टे ऑफ सूट. सेक्शन 10 रेस सब जुडाइस. बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 92. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डील्स विद सर्विस ऑफ प्रोसेस ऑन प्लीडर. ये है ऑर्डर 3 रूल 5. आंसर रहेगा ए. नेक्स्ट 93. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस सुप्रीम कोर्ट held that where the witness has become confused in the course of examination, the court could put questions to him to elicit the truth. ये था State of Rajasthan versus any. A is the answer. Next 94. Which of the following ground is not appropriate ground for temporary injunction? Not पूछा. देखिए यहाँ पर that any property in dispute is in danger of being wasted. That defendant threatened to dispose of his property. The property in dispute is likely to be acquired by the government. ये है प्रॉपर्टी लाइकली टू बी एक्वायर्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. ये कोई अप्रोप्रिएट ग्राउंड नहीं है टीआई लेने का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 74. इन सीपीसी द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ रिसीवर हैज बीन डेल्ट विद अंडर ऑर्डर 40. बी इज द आंसर. ऑर्डर 45 क्या है? अपील टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट. एंड ऑर्डर 42 अपील फ्रॉम एपेलेट डिक्री. ओके. एंड ऑर्डर 44 that is appeal by indigent person. Next is 75. The provision of substituted service of summons on defendant has been made under order 5 rule 20. Again repeat question. A is the answer. Next is 76. Which one of the following is based upon doctrine of equity? It is rule of estoppel. D is the answer. Why? Because res judicata and res judice is mentioned under the substantive provisions. This is and this also. Under section 9, 10, 11, estoppel is mentioned only in evidence. Next is 77. The principle of res judicata is mandatory. A is the answer. Again repeat question. Next is 78. By whom a decree can be executed? Section 38. A court passed decree or by the court to whom it has been transferred. Again repeat question. Next is 79. A decree may be preliminary, final, partly preliminary, partly final. All of the above. D is the answer. Again repeat question. Next is 80. A suit regarding immovable property may be instituted in a court in whose jurisdiction where property is situated. B is the answer. कहाँ पर मेंशन है? सेक्शन 16 में. अगेन रिपीट क्वेश्चन. देखिए आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि डिफेंडेंट रिजाइड्स और ये कैरी ऑन बिजनेस है, ये भी तो है. बट देखिए सेक्शन 16 आप देखेंगे अगर तो वहाँ पर देखिए प्रोवाइजो है, वहाँ पर ही दोनों चीज़ मेंशन की गई है. बट वहाँ पर क्या लिखा हुआ है? इन अ सूट टू ऑब्टेन रिलीफ रिस्पेक्टिंग और कॉम्पनसेशन रॉन्ग टू इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी. अगर कोई रॉन्ग किया है इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी के साथ में और जो रिलीफ सॉर्ट कर रहा है प्लेंटिफ अगेंस्ट डिफेंडेंट, वो ओनली थ्रू इज पर्सनल ओबीडियंस हो सकता है, डिफेंडेंट की पर्सनल ओबीडियंस से. तब जो है ये दोनों उसमें आ जाएंगे. तब होता है इसका आंसर ऑल ऑफ दीज. बट यहाँ पर ये प्रोवाइजो मेंशन नहीं किया हुआ है. मतलब जनरली पूछ रहे हैं. जनरली कहाँ होगा? सेक्शन 16 में लिखा हुआ है कि जहाँ पर प्रॉपर्टी सिचुएट होती है वहीं पर ही होगा. Next is 81. Production of shop book is prescribed in CPC under Order 7 Rule 17. A is the answer. Next is 82. Under Order 8 Rule 1 is related to written statement. B is the answer. Next is 83. Which is the following under CPC is duty of appellate court to appreciate evidence, duty to decide appeal finally, reappreciate all of these. D is the answer. Next is 84. This is also repeat question. Next is 84. Under CPC, the court may issue commission to examine any person, local investigation, partition, all of these. D is the answer. Again repeat question. कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ये मेंशन है सेक्शन 75 में. एंड कमीशन का ऑर्डर कौन सा है? ऑर्डर 26. नेक्स्ट 85. मीनिंग ऑफ गार्निशी अंडर सीपीसी. अगेन रिपीट क्वेश्चन. जजमेंट डेटर्स डेटर. सी इज द आंसर. Notice to garnishi mention in order 21 rule 46A and order against garnishi in rule 47A. All right. Question number 51 is, next is 81. According to CPC, hearing of case is concluded but the judgment could not be pronounced at once and fixed for a future date, then such date shall not be fixed ordinarily. तो कितना होगा ये? नॉट बियॉन्ड 30 days. बी इसका आंसर रहेगा. तो ऑर्डिनरी जो है वो 30 है एंड नॉट बियॉन्ड 60 इन अदर केसेस. ठीक है ना. प्रोविजन कहाँ पर है? ये है ऑर्डर 20 एंड रूल 1. नेक्स्ट 92. ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट टू बी प्रोड्यूस एट और बिफोर सेटलमेंट ऑफ इशू अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन दी सीपीसी. तो लिखा हुआ ऑर्डर 13 रूल 1 में, जहां पर प्रोडक्शन, इंपाउंडिंग एंड रिटर्न ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट मेंशन किया गया है. ए इसका आंसर रहेगा. नेक्स्ट 93. प्रिंसिपल रेस जुडिकाटा अप्लाइज टू सूट्स ओनली एग्जीक्यूशन सूट्स एज वेल एज एग्जीक्यूशन प्रोसीडिंग्स. डी इसका आंसर रहेगा. और एग्जीक्यूशन के बारे में कहां पर मेंशन किया गया है? ये मेंशन किया गया है एक्सप्लेनेशन 7 में. नेक्स्ट 94. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट अ लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. A person who in law represent the estate of a deceased. ये तो LR हो गए. फिर है any person who intermeddle with the estate of deceased. ये भी हो गए. The person on whom estate devolves on the death of the party so suing. ये भी हो गए. Term is limited to executor only and not covered administrators. और डेफिनेशन कहाँ पर? LR की सेक्शन 211 में CPC में. तो D इसका आंसर हो गया, नॉट ट्रू. नेक्स्ट 95. The provision relating to interpleader suit is contained in order 35. B is the answer. Next 96. After the case is heard, the civil court is required to pronounce judgment on the same day. तो देखिए वहाँ लिखा हुआ है pronounce at once. फिर लिखा हुआ है कि 30 days में कर सकते हैं और किसी भी केस में 60 दिन से ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. तो और ये 60 दिन वाला तो क्वेश्चन ऊपर भी पूछ लिया था. तो डी इसका आंसर रहेगा, ऑल ऑफ दी अबव. बट एक कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. Next 97. A right to use public street of 10 feet width was affected because of encroachment. A filed suit. Represented suit under order 1 rule 8 is not necessary. कोई necessary नहीं है. उसका खुद को inconvenience हो रही है तो obviously वो खुद भी कर सकता है, औरों के बिहाफ पर भी कर सकता है. necessary नहीं है. B इसका आंसर रहेगा. Next 98. Which of the following is correct meaning of Latin term res? res मतलब क्या होता है? देखिए काफ़ी क्लोज क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए हैं. मैटर और इशू, क्लेम. रेमेडी तो नहीं है. रेमेडी तो नहीं है. इसका मतलब होता है मैटर और थिंग. ए इसका आंसर रहेगा. नेक्स्ट 190. म्यूचुअल जेंडर एंड नॉन जेंडर ऑफ द पार्टीज हैव बीन प्रोवाइडेड अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग order, that is order 1 rule 9. A is the answer. Next is 191. CPC amendment 99 came into force on 1st July 2002. B is the answer. Next 192. In a case where the condition of rule 1 of order 1 do not exist and 2 or more persons joined as plaintiff in one suit, the result would be. देखिए जिनका कॉमन क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ हो गया, कॉमन कॉज ऑफ एक्शन होगा, तो वही तो ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. तो फिर ये तो मिसजेंडर हो गया. तो बी इसका आंसर रहेगा. नेक्स्ट 193. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्टली मैच. मैच करना है. स्टे ऑफ सूट कितने में है? 10 में. रेस जुडिकाटा 11 में. इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ सूट कितने में है? 26 में. एंड बार टू फर्दर सूट ये है 12 में. तो उसमें ठीक कौन सा हुआ फिर? रेस जुडिकाटा. बी इज द आंसर. Next 194. Which of the following properties cannot be attached in execution of a decree under CPC? सेक्शन 360 बात करता है इसके लिए. तो लैंड कर सकते हैं, बुक ऑफ अकाउंट्स नहीं कर सकते, बी इसका आंसर रहेगा, चेक कर सकते हैं, बैंक नोट कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट 195, हु कैन फाइल अ सूट अंडर सेक्शन 91, एनी सिटीजन, एडवोकेट जनरल या फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट। तो एडवोकेट जनरल कर सकता है या फिर 2 और मोर सिटीजन्स, तो सी इसका आंसर रहेगा। नेक्स्ट 196, व्हाट इज मेंट बाय मिटेटिस मिटेंडिस, तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है, अप्लाई विद सच चेंजेस एज मे बी नेसेसरी, डी इसका आंसर रहेगा। तो नेक्स्ट 197, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मोड ऑफ सेटलमेंट आउटसाइड द कोर्ट इज नॉट मेंशन्ड, तो आर्बिट्रेशन है, कंसिलिएशन है, नेगोशिएशन नहीं है, मीडिएशन है, सी इसका आंसर रहेगा, ये नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 198, प्रेजेंटे निहिल इनोवातुर, तो किससे रिलेटेड है ये, लिस पेंडेंस से, तो सी इसका आंसर रहेगा। नेक्स्ट 199, द इन्वेस्टिगेशन इन रिलेशन टू एन ऑफेंस अंडर सेक्शन 376 ए, बी और सी एंड डी shall be completed within which period from the date of which information was recorded within 2 months, C is the answer। और ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है, सेक्शन 173(1)(a) में। Next 200, a caveat remains in force from the date on which it was lodged for 90 days, B is the answer। सेक्शन कौन सा है, 148(a) CPC। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ CPC जो कि हमने पूरे डिस्कस कर लिए हैं फ्रॉम द ईयर 2002 टू 2023। अगर आपको इसमें कोई कमी लगी हो, कोई सजेशंस, कोई एडवाइस हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर भी लिख सकते हैं। वी ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट योर कमेंट्स एंड फीडबैक। And friends, if you like the efforts, kindly give a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to help the content creator. Means if you like the videos, you can just donate some money to them in form of tips. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, इसको जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. So friends, thank you. Thanks very much for watching this video. Thank you.